Tip number 2 is to upload videos regularly. Now, what do I mean by regularly? By regularly, I mean uploading videos on a consistent schedule, whether that be once a week, whether that be once a day, heck, whether that be 6 videos a day like the fastest growing channel on YouTube called Brightside does, whatever it may be, make sure to stick to a consistent schedule and upload regularly on YouTube. It's much better to upload 10 videos over the course of 10 weeks instead of uploading 10 videos in a single day and then not uploading again for the next 10 weeks. That actually does not do very good within the YouTube algorithm. The best is if you can keep a consistent schedule. But with that being said, posting more is better. So the more videos that you do post, the better, but make sure to be posting consistently. So consistency is more important than quantity, but if you can consistently upload 1 video a day, that is what I actually recommend. And if you can upload more than that, then that is what I recommend. The more videos, the better, because every single video that you upload is another at-bat, another chance to go viral on YouTube. And every single video that you upload, you're building up your backlog of videos, and you're gonna get a ton of more views because of it.